Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the D&M Toy Club. Today we're going to check out our kids' toy box. Let's take a look inside. We have no idea what we're going to take a look inside. We got to get our work gloves on. It's working good. Let's get our other glove. Remember, if you're not subscribed to the D&M Toy Club, if you're not a D&M Toy Club clubster, remember you got to press that button right there. See where I'm pointing? That little red button that says subscribe? That is going to let you watch all the new videos every single day. Cool? All right, here we go. Let's get the toolbox open. Wait a minute, we've got toy trains, toy trucks, and school buses. Wait a minute, there's a toy truck. Oh, that's an ambulance. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. I know we've got a ton of tools. Yep, let's take a look. What else do we have? Oh, we've got the level. This is actually an edge that can measure corners. That's a pretty cool tool. Let's take a look inside the rest of them. Whoa, check out that stencil shapes. Stars and triangles and squares. Pretty cool. Elephants. Check out the elephants. There's another one. What else do we have in our toolbox? Whoa, we're going in reverse. Check out the axe. Yeah. What else do we have? Come on, make it hop out of the box into our hands. We've got a wood saw. What else do we have? Oh, there we go. Another C-clamp. Oh, I love the C-clamps. What else do we have? Come here, Mr. Saw. That's a metal saw. Whoa! Look at that construction truck. That is huge, lifting those big rock boulders. Pretty awesome. Let's see what else we've got in our toolbox. Look at all that stuff they're building. Wow, it's pretty cool. Whoa, hammers, wrenches, and electric drills. That one is the adjustable wrench. Have you ever used an adjustable wrench? Whoa, pretty cool. Race car! Check out the NASCAR race car. It's purple with M&Ms on it. That's pretty weird, but it's pretty cool. What do you think, Mr. Smiley Face? Look at that engine inside that race car. Our box is full of all kinds of toy trucks, ambulances. What? Electric drill. Check out the power drill. And the bulldozer. Man, does that move a lot of rocks and dirt. That is huge. Checking out construction trucks. Look at that. That's an adjustable wrench. That's a real one in action. Adjustable wrenches are moving the lug nut around the screw. That's pretty amazing. See how it turns around? Uh-oh, watch that egg. Oh, no. That's not what hammers are for.